Your mind is your battlefield. Every worry, fear, and frustration you feel lives there, not in the world. Stoic philosophers like Epictetus and Marcus Aurelius teach us that suffering comes not from events themselves, but from how we perceive them. Today we'll explore practical ways to reclaim your inner peace, focus, and clarity, starting now. Begin by observing your thoughts without judgment. When fear or anxiety rises, ask yourself, is this within my control? If yes, act. If no, let it go. The Stoics called this the art of distinguishing what is up to you and what is not. This small practice, done daily, strengthens your mind and frees you from unnecessary suffering. Next, take a moment for gratitude. Seneca wrote, "Begin each day by telling yourself, today I shall encounter people who are meddling, ungrateful, arrogant, dishonest, jealous, and surly." Instead of dreading it, prepare your mind. Gratitude doesn't just calm you, it builds resilience and joy. You notice what truly matters, instead of reacting to every little irritation. Now set your intention. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself each morning, "I will act with purpose and virtue." Your actions matter more than your emotions. When you walk, work, or speak today, do it deliberately. Focus on effort, not outcome. Control what you can, release the rest. This is freedom in action. Finally, slow down. The world rushes, but your mind doesn't have to. Take a breath, notice your surroundings, and reflect. Am I living in accordance with my principles? This pause, even for a few moments, reduces stress, clarifies priorities, and reminds you that your life is yours to shape. Your mind is your sanctuary. Train it daily with awareness, gratitude, and intentional action. Each small choice compounds into a calmer, stronger, and wiser life. Begin today. Reclaim your peace and live each moment with purpose. Thank you for watching today. I hope these affirmations help guide your day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom and daily motivation. Stay Stoic.